Timmy and his trickery. In a lush green forest lived a clever fox named Timmy, who loved playing tricks to get what he wanted. One day, Timmy saw a squirrel, Jimmy, holding a pine cone full of nuts.
Jimmy, there's a hollow tree by the river with even more nuts.
Timmy said.
Give me your pine cone, and I'll show you the way.
Jimmy agreed, but when he reached the hollow tree, it was empty. Meanwhile, Timmy happily munched on the nuts. Soon, his trick was uncovered, and the other animals stopped trusting him. Even when Timmy told the truth, no one believed him anymore. One day, a wise hedgehog Bobby said,
Trickery is like a bridge of twigs. Sooner or later, it will collapse, leaving you alone.
Timmy thought deeply and realized his mistake. He went to Jimmy and said,
I'm sorry for tricking you, Jimmy. I was wrong.
Jimmy smiled and replied,
I forgive you, but trust takes time to rebuild.
From then on, Timmy became honest and regained the respect of his friends, becoming a loyal companion they could rely on. Morale: deception may bring short-term gains, but destroys trust. Honesty builds lasting relationships,